Hi, how are you, grade 3? Today we have a new math lesson. Estimate sums. Before we start with our new lesson, let's remember. What is estimate? Estimate means a number close to an exact number. If you see here, we have 19 plus 54. Do you think it's easy to calculate mentally 19 plus 54? No. So I will try to replace 19 and 54 with compatible numbers which are easy to compute and calculate mentally. 20 plus 50. 20 plus 50 are two compatible numbers. I will use them to estimate the sum of 19 plus 54. 20 plus 50, tick, 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 tick. It's very easy to calculate. Yes, it is 70. 70 is an estimated sum. What are compatible numbers? What are compatible numbers? Compatible numbers are numbers that are easy to compute mentally. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide them mentally. 19 plus 54. 19 plus 54, maybe it's not easy for you to calculate it mentally, maybe for some students, most of the students, or all of you. So you have to try to replace them with compatible numbers, numbers that are easy for you to calculate. I replaced 19 with the 20, I replaced 54 with 50. To get an estimated sum, I don't have to remind you. 20 plus 50 will give me an estimated sum. It will not give me the exact sum. As I told you, you can estimate using compatible numbers. I will show you more examples. 432 plus 498. You have 10 seconds to give me the answer. I know it's difficult to calculate them mentally and quickly. So let's use compatible numbers. Let's replace these numbers with compatible numbers. I will replace 432 with 425. I will replace 498 with 475. The sum is 900. 900 is an estimated sum. 425 is less than 432 and 475 is less than 489. So the sum of the compatible numbers will be less than the exact sum. So the exact sum will be greater than the estimated sum. Use place value to round and estimate. There is another way to estimate. You can use place value to round. We have talked about rounding in the previous sessions. 432 plus 489 equal. If you want to use place value to round and estimate, you have to follow the following steps. Step 1. Round 432 to the nearest hundred. 432 is between 400 and 500. But it's closer to 400 than it is to 500. So I will round 432 to 400. Step 2. Round 489 to the nearest hundred. 489 is between 400 and 500. But it's closer to 500. Step 3. Find the sum of the rounded numbers. 400 plus 500, very easy to calculate, equal 900. Again and again, remember 900 is not the exact sum, it is an estimated sum. Do you want to practice more estimating the sum? Let's estimate the sum using compatible numbers. 47 plus 23 equal, I will replace 47 with 50 and I will replace 23 with 25. 50 plus 25, we call them, yes, compatible numbers. 50 plus 25, we can calculate them easily. They are compatible numbers. 75, is it an estimated sum or the exact sum? Yes, they are it is an estimated sum because I used compatible numbers to get it. Now we will use rounding. 304 plus 494. 304 is between 300 and 400, but it's closer to 300. I rounded 304 to 300. 494 is between 400 and 500, but because it's closer to 500, I rounded it to 500. 300 plus 500, super, it's so easy to calculate it, equal 800. I can hear you saying 800, yes, I can hear you. 800 is an estimated sum, it's not the exact sum. Thank you for watching this video. Please practice more estimating sum at home.